Hi everyone, it's Gail. I got a little email from one of my subscribers that said she had never seen anyone sew in signatures. So I was at that point with some journals that I'm working on. So I thought I'd just turn on the camera while I sew in the signatures. So these are some traveler's notebooks. I'm just going to do a 3-hole pamphlet stitch and hope that it's helpful for someone. So this is my Mrs. Coggs design team project, this little one. And so I am just about ready to sew in. What I do is I squeeze the papers together, get everything even and where I want it. And then I just clip it down with binder clips in 4 places. And then I don't measure on these. I just kind of go middle and about an inch or so up from the bottom and an inch or so down from the top. So I'm ready to poke my holes in. And what I do is I use an old book that is missing its cover. And I'm just going to eyeball where the middle is, about here-ish, and I just poke on through, and then the top one, I kind of hold it closed a little bit. I had a subby suggest using the pages of an old telephone book to do this, to keep it together kind of, but I don't really have one handy, and so this just works just fine for me. So we'll just poke the 3 holes and that's done. Okay, so for these I'm going to use some crochet thread. And so I'm going to take 3 lengths of my traveler's notebook, and then I'm going to double that because I want to double the crochet thread. Single will probably be just fine, but I just like to make sure. So I hope this is okay for you to see using black thread. I didn't think about that, but hopefully it will be okay. So then I'm just going to thread my needle and kind of, if I can do it without making a knot, pull it down so that my strings are basically even at the bottom. Well, you would think that would not be the hardest part of this procedure, but apparently for me it is. Okay, so there we go. So our thread is ready. So I'm just gonna go in the middle. I want the loose strings to be on the inside. If you want them to be on the outside, you just reverse the procedure. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna grab this with my thumb, and I'm gonna go into the bottom hole. Now I'm gonna pull this good and tight and hold it with my thumb so that I don't go through the through the thread again. So I'm just gonna then go up above that thread. Then I'm gonna go into the upper hole. It's so funny to try and do this so that it's in camera, and I tend to be kind of awkward with it anyway, but trying to show you guys is even harder. So, okay, so we went in, we came through the bottom hole, now we went in the middle hole again and through the outside, and so you can see the thread is through. And then what I do is just go right through here, right through there, so that my strings are on either side. And then I'm just going to tie a knot, make sure it's good and taut, and tie a knot. And then I tie a double knot always. And then you can tie a bow, whatever. I am just going to clip these off because I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I'm just kind of at the beginning stages of this journal. So then unclip. And it's good to go. The signature's in there. So maybe I'll show you on one of these. This is another batch that I have coming up for my Etsy. These are Jane Davenport papers. So super fun. So I'll be getting those ready here soon as well. But maybe I'll just show you how I just sort of work this to get it into the corner there, and then I grab with my other hand and clip, and I do the opposite side then on the bottom and clip, and then do the other sides. So easy peasy. You guys would have figured that out, but I just thought I'd show you, since then I am ready to sew in this one. So that's it, guys. And Karen, this video was just for you. So I hope it's helpful to maybe some beginners. And I know you saw me stitch in my signatures with the buttons, but this is one that's no buttons. It's just a quick and easy 3-hole pamphlet stitch. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll just see you next time. Bye bye.